In this video, we're going to see if it's possible to crossplay Overcooked 2 between PC and the Nintendo Switch. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. As you're probably aware, for Overcooked All-You-Can-Eat Edition, you can crossplay between all platforms, between Steam and Xbox, PlayStation and PC, Epic and Nintendo Switch, etc. Every combination you can think of. However, if you own Overcooked 2 instead of Overcooked All-You-Can-Eat Edition, you might have difficulty doing crossplay with your friends from other platforms. As you can see, as it is stated by this official support article on the Team 17 website, Overcooked 2 crossplay is only available on Epic and Steam. So, as you can see here, this means that it's currently impossible to crossplay between PC and Switch for Overcooked 2. The only way to properly crossplay when playing Overcooked is to buy and play the Overcooked All-You-Can-Eat Edition. Crossplay is not enabled in Overcooked 2. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that you can only crossplay inside the All-You-Can-Eat Edition. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.